Hi everyone, agagay. I'm here in the river and Makabalan and Bunbun guys. I'm from Cagayan City po. Thank you for watching po. Thank you so much for watching. Pwede kayo mag-fishing here sa river guys. My queen. Lapit na ito matapos ang bridge guys. Ito po yung highway po pag matapos to. Mataas po itong bridge patungo dun ang layo po. New bridge po sa Cagayan City po. Bonbon, Barangay Bonbon and Barangay Makabalan guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you. Please subscribe me guys and support me always. Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Bye bye.